Alright, assessment 1-1 number concepts. This is a two-part test. The first 6 questions are TEKS 8.2 A, B, and C. The second part, again, questions 1 through 6, TEKS 8.2 D. This will be worth 2 test grades. Please read each question carefully. Identify the key words. Be sure to answer the questions. Please justify your answer. And please show all work to get credit. Good luck. Question number 1. Read the following statements and circle whether each is true or false. Hint: draw a picture of the real number system. All integers are irrational numbers. True or false? All natural numbers are whole numbers. True or false? Some rational numbers are integers. True or false? All real numbers are natural numbers. True or false? Question 2. Which Venn diagram correctly describes the relationship between set R and set W? R equals real numbers, W equals whole numbers. A, because all real numbers are whole numbers. B, because all whole numbers are real numbers. C, because all whole numbers are not real numbers. Or D, because whole numbers and real numbers have no elements in common. Question number 3. Which letter on the number line best represents the approximation of the square root of 92? Question number 4. If the area of a square is 28 square inches, estimate the length of each side of the square to the nearest whole number. Hint: draw a square and label sides. Question number 5. The mass of a textbook is approximately 0.00165 metric ton. How is this number written in scientific notation? Question number 6. The speed of light is about 1.86 times 10 to the 5th power miles per second. Express this number in standard decimal notation form. Question number 1. Two numbers are shown on the number line. Which value is not located between these two numbers on the number line? Hint: change all two decimals. Question number 2. There are 4 students working on an assignment in class. Mike has completed 1/9 of the assignments. Gwen has completed 11% of the assignment. Jorge has completed 0.12 of the assignment, and Ty has completed 1/8 of the assignment. List the students' names in order from least to greatest, ascending order, by the amount of the assignment they have completed. Question number 3. 4 students are each trying to raise the same amount of money for a trip. The table below shows how much each student's goal has been met. Which list shows the number in the table in order from least to greatest, ascending order? Question number 4. An inequality is shown. Which value of x makes the inequality true? Question number 5. 3 groups of students use different methods to estimate the diagonal length of a patio in feet. Their results were listed below. List these lengths in order from greatest to least, descending order. Question number 6. Which list shows the numbers below in order from least to greatest, ascending order? That's the end of the test. Please go back and check for reasonableness. Please show all your work on the test paper. Please do your best. Good luck.